All right, everybody, here is your core bites number 141. The first one says how many groups of 3 are in 6. So what you have to do is say, okay, 3 times what gives us 36? And your answer would be 12. Or you could also say 12 times 3 gives you 36. For number 2, a teacher needs to buy 32 pairs of scissors. They come in packs of 3. About how many packs does the teacher need to buy? Choose the best estimate. All right, she wants to have, at least 32, okay? So they come in packs of 3. So same thing here. So if 3 times 12 is 36, that's too many. Let's go one down. So let's try 11. So 3 times 11 would be 33. So that means she would have an extra, right? If you do 3 times 9, that's going to be 27. That's not enough. She has to have 32. If she does 3 times 10, that's only going to be 30. So the best answer would be 11 packs of 3 because then she'll have plenty. Okay? For number 3, which set of decimals is ordered least to greatest? That means smallest to largest. Okay? So look at your first number. 4, 3, 5. Okay? 3 is the smallest. That doesn't work. 3, 5, 4. Nope. 3, 4, 5. Yes. Smallest to largest. You have to look in front of that decimal point to see the whole number first. Okay? For number 4, which is more? 3 feet or 30 inches? Okay? Now, you know that 1 foot is 12 inches. So if you have 3, that would be 12 times 3, which we learned up here is 36 inches compared to 30 inches. And you know that 36 inches is larger, right? 36 inches is greater than. So 3 feet would be more. Okay? And then for number 5, is this a line of symmetry? I love this heart, but no, it is not. Now, if they had taken it and gone vertically instead of horizontally, then that actually could have worked. Okay, guys? So check that and let us know if you have any questions.